In this video, I'm going to teach you how to view solved tickets in Zendesk. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to zendesk.com. From this part, proceed to enter right here your work email that you wish to use right there. From in there, proceed to click onto this try for free option in order to sign up for a free trial on your actual Zendesk. Now, since I already have an account on this, what we can do is we can proceed to click on to this sign in option. Now, we have in here our actual dashboard. So in order to view your sold tickets, you need to actually access the views page. This is actually that icon, so we can find it on your left sidebar. Proceed to click on this. After that, you can see all of the views available right there. So onto this case, you can just find the particular ticket that we want. So for example, since you want to see sold tickets, just choose right here the tickets that are actually solved. So we have all unsolved, recently updated, unsolved tickets, and the likes. So if you have a solved ticket or deleted ticket, they will appear right here. So if you wish to actually add a new view onto this part, you can head over right here into your actual admin center. On the workspaces, you can see this agent tools, and under that is the views. Now into this views option, make sure to create the views for seeing the solved tickets. Let's click onto this add view. Let's input right here solved and who has access for it. Add a condition for that ticket. So let's input right here the ticket has been solved. Let's put right here ticket status and contains one of the following, which is solved. And then after that, you can see the formatting option. Click on save and then that view will be saved and it will appear right now in the dashboard. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.